So here we have the Wealth Warriors Elite Income Empire registration page for the coaching program. So the slots are filling up fast, and wanted to provide kind of a snapshot of how you would actually go about registering. So you would go to the website, the bit.ly/change elite income, and you'll arrive here at this site. And so what you want to do is select, yes, give you training now. But before you actually do that, go ahead and check out the site. As you can see, the simple 3-step system is going to be provided in the training. So they're going to go over the secrets, right? Secret number 1, how you can make 6 and 7 figures by getting other people to do all the hard work and fulfillment for you. Number 2, how to generate leads and sales success to make $1,000 monthly. Or $5,000 per day, from your phone in your spare time. And number 3, how to position yourself as the expert when you don't have to make a simple commission online. So all of the training is going to be in here on December 19th at 7 p.m. So meet Daniel Chou, my mentor, the one that saved me from my process of blogging every day and jumping from program to program. Right now, I do promote Millionaire Challenge System that Daniel initially recommended with me with Zach Crawford. I also promote Freedom Breakthrough with Montoya, and I promote Freedom Accelerator with Montoya as well, is what we're going to go through here today in regards to the steps I would do in regard if I was a mortgage broker, tax broker, or tax preparer, insurance broker, and entrepreneur, or anyone trying to figure out the step-by-step process. If I came on this information, was trying to figure out how. So that's what I would do. I would start with training, coming to this free workshop where Daniel, my mentor, and then his business partner, Nathan Bokers, he quit his 87,000-year trucking job just last year of 2021 and was able to be successful with a multi-figure online business. And he's going to come show those strategies to you on December the 19th. So again, there's more testimonials and information on the results that's happened with Warrior students that actually take the time to get training first. They have 100,000 awards. They have 50,000 awards. Your why in branding you is what you focused on, because the key thing in this business, guys, you don't have a boss. You don't have anyone over your shoulder. The key thing is you are going against you. You're not competing against that person that made 20,000 in 30 days. You're competing on yourself in regards to making change and implementing change in your life. This Mike is having a great time here today. So anyway, with Wealth Warriors, you'll have testimonials and hear about from other students that were struggling online and are making the 10,000 and they're making those different amounts daily. The key thing with how much you make in a certain amount of time is the effort you put in. I can be honest and say that, yes, I would love to have one of these stories, but the reality is I was in so many different products and had so many different programs. I'm still trying to put everything together. I'm putting my eco-affiliate system together. It is together with Montoya's system, and I appreciate Freedom Breakthrough and Freedom Accelerator, this program that we're going through now, as I'm able to fix those little small things in my business that weren't being effective. So let me jump into the actual program. This is, again, you will go here to register for the training, put in your name and email address, click the link there, and December 19th at 7 p.m., be in front of your computer or cell phone to get this information. Now, once you have the training information, you're like, Adrian, what do I do with this? If you're currently promoting a course, if you're in a course currently, if you're trying to figure out online sales or never even figured it out at all, that's when you're able to take recommendations from other people to decide which course will be best for you. Freedom Accelerator for mortgage brokers and entrepreneurs was, between Accelerator and Breakthrough and Millionaire Challenge Systems, those 3 programs were the ones that were able to feel accelerating my high ticket sales. Okay. And so I wanted to show you where in Freedom Accelerator, how, if you're invest in this program, kind of give you a sneak peek of what it would look like. In addition to the bonuses with me that I'll help you with accountability and the different, I have a lot of content. So I'm always going to be here to help with content, being able to just kind of be the rah-rah in your shoulder to help you move to your why. So let's go here to Freedom Accelerator 2.0. Freedom Accelerator. So this is a sneak peek inside the actual program, okay? And so what you'll do is you'll sign up through my link, and it's all the information is in the bio. And I'm going to, just let this mic have a good time here. And so you see the different phases that you will go through, and he goes through step by step in the programs I actually promote. So in Freedom Breakthrough, in Freedom Accelerator, step-by-step process. Not saying it's going to take tomorrow. It's going to take a long time. I'm still going through. You want to go through the steps. I went through the whole programs, right? And then I was like, oh, my system is messed up. Let me go redo it. So I'm going back through all of the different. So it's going to take some time to feel like I master it. And so that's why this coaching program is so great for me, because it gives me an opportunity to speak passionately and have a resource that I can have my clients or anyone that's looking for things to be able to help out with. So anyway, let me give you the sneak peek. So this is the things that he's going through, okay? He's going to cover the 4 phases to freedom, how to set up your affiliate stacking system, how to actually go, and gives you step by step all of the different parts of this module. So the key part of this module, guys, if you're in real estate, okay, and I'm going to give you a sneak peek, he gives you the niches to go and actually promote in your eco affiliate system. So for example, there's so many niches you can go into. The ones that are actually key, or I'm not going to say key, but you know that a lot of people are looking for: make money online, real estate, health, wealth, and of course, motivation and mindset, right? Trying to get in the right mindset. So here's our sneak peek here. And so he gives you the real estate niches that you can put into your ecosystem. So what does that mean? So if you go here to real estate, because I am a mortgage broker, right? You have a document here that he'll provide all of the niches that he uses in his real estate business that you can actually branch and kind of get an idea if that's something that you want to do. And what I did is turned around, signed up for these affiliate programs so I can go ahead and nurture my clients as well. So that's what you do. You leverage over on this side, you leverage and model different resources that you're provided in the courses, and you learn how to market that to your clientele. So if you're in health and fitness, for example, Jonathan has already done the work for you, right? So don't go recreate the wheel. You can go out and sign up for the keto and routine. These different affiliate programs that help as your niche, higher commission products. And that's kind of what is mentorship is key for. It gives you this roadmap that you don't have to go figure it out and go on ClickBank and Digistore and figure out which product to support and which one. You have a community that you can ask questions and figure out which one is best for you. So phase 1, he goes over the automated system. Phase 2, he talks about the 5 to 15 second videos, right? For TikTok and Facebook and Instagram Reels. He goes through how to close, the automatic traffic process. All of the modules, how to increase conversions. And, the key thing too, you can promote his product as well. So I know this is a long one and I'm going to wrap it up. So when you actually promote his product, when you sign up, you can receive affiliate commissions from promoting his product. So isn't that different from the affiliate commissions? Like, for example, promoting Factor. Factor is a chef. They have a program where, eating has been an issue. Okay. So time and eating and having healthy meals, even being from home. So Factor is a program my business partner actually, tried the chef foods, and they fresh, never frozen meals, chef prepared, dietitian approved, no prep, no mess, heat and eat in 2 minutes. They send it directly to you. And I tried the grilled chicken parmesan, delicious, right? So what I did was go online and see if Factor had an affiliate program, and they do. So anything now, I promote Factor just from yesterday. And that's how the concept works. This is a low ticket item because, again, the product is only $14 per meal. So, you'll receive a commission, but yes, you want to look at high ticket sales. And that's the purpose of this video, to get more commissions to be able to have your why faster. Follow me. I'm going to continue to try to provide content, and please leave comments below if I can, do better, or any questions I can answer. But each day you're going to get content from me to try to accelerate your transacting online with this $5 trillion online community. But just figure out the why and the how. And the first step is mentorship. Follow me.